As the nation celebrates its 75th Independence Day, every citizen's heart fills with patriotism and love for the motherland. The subject of patriotism has always been one of the favorites for the writers and directors in our film industry since forever. Even the actors are always fascinated towards donning a military uniform in the films and portray the characters of our brave Indian soldiers. But do you know, B Town has a big squad of military kids. Yes, here is a list of some Bollywood divas who belong to an army background. Anushka Sharma. Anushka's father, Colonel Ajay Kumar Sharma, served in the Indian Army and was posted all across the country. She did her schooling at Army School, Bengaluru, and has often admitted that being a military kid played an important role in shaping her as an individual, and her strength and fitness comes from her army background. The second name on the list is dimpled girl of Bollywood, Preity Zinta. Her father was a major in the Indian Army. After his demise in the year 1998, her elder brother also joined the army and is currently working as a commissioned officer. Global star Priyanka Chopra Jonas is another B-Town queen who belongs to an army background. Her late father, Dr. Ashok Chopra, and mother, Dr. Madhu Akhori, both have served in the Indian Army. The Desi girl of Bollywood has many a times talked about her military upbringing in her interviews. Former Miss Universe Lara Datta also has an army connection. While her father L.K. Datta is a retired wing commander, her elder sister Sabrina also serves the Indian Air Force. Recently, she also revealed that her father was even a personal pilot of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Another former Miss Universe, Sushmita Sen, also comes from an army family. Her father, Subir Sen, is a former Indian Air Force wing commander. She did her schooling at Air Force Golden Jubilee Institute in New Delhi. Neha Dhupia's father, Commander Pradeep Singh, has served in the Indian Navy and she studied in Naval Public School. Later, she continued her schooling in Army Public School, Delhi. Despite her busy schedule, she still takes time out for the annual Navy Balls and judges the Navy Queen contest. Another actress who comes from an army background is Selina Jetli. Born in Kabul to Colonel V.K. Jetli and Neeta, Selina also wanted to join the army. Her mother was a nurse in the Indian Army and was an Afghan Hindu. Former Miss India and one of the fittest actresses in B-Town, Gul Panag, also belongs to an army family. Her father, Lieutenant General H.S. Panag, retired from the Indian Army. Well, she has always credited a part of her success to the army life she has seen at her home. Now you know how Nimrat Kaur managed to give a spectacular performance in the test case as Captain Shikha Sharma. In real life also, she comes from a military background as her father, Major Bhupinder Singh, was an Indian Army officer. The dusky beauty of Bollywood, Chitrangada Singh, also hails from an army background. She is the daughter of a retired army colonel, Niranjan Singh. She has even expressed her desire to produce a film showcasing the life of army people.